What is the liquidity condition? So liquidity condition is that there is surplus liquidity due post COVID due to conventional non-conventional policy. Conventional policy क्या था? रेपो रेट कम किए, CRR कम किए, ये conventional policies से कोविड पैंडेमिक के समय लिक्विडिटी बढ़ाने की बात थी. So increasing liquidity during COVID pandemic through conventional policy was reducing repo rate, reducing CRR, and then there were non-conventional policies like emergency credit line guarantee scheme, long-term repo operations, targeted long-term repo operations, fund of fund schemes. So there were several schemes by which liquidity was being arranged, both conventional and non-conventional. Now what are the responses post-COVID? Withdrawal of accommodation. MSF rate has been kept above policy rate by 25 basis points and 250 basis points above increment in the repo rate. इनके अलावा इसमें एक और बात की गई है. क्या बात की गई है? CRR बढ़ा दिया गया है. So apart from this, what has been done is that CRR has been increased by 50 basis points and sorry, with increase in repo with increase in repo, we have seen that overall the yields are firming up. Treasury bill के yields हो, certificate of deposits के yield हो, commercial papers के yield हो, interest rate India में बढ़ने लग गए हैं. So what is noticed is a steady increase in interest rate on all financial assets, reflecting a tighter monetary condition. Steady increase in interest rate on all financial assets, reflecting a tighter monetary condition. All right, so that is another factor that has come in over here.